Welcome to Mathematics Online Lecture Series, lecture number 9, topic Vector Calculus. So today we will discuss about a few results on gradient. Now these results are most important for the next sessions. Now observe. Now first we will discuss few important points, then we will discuss about the results. Now we know that r bar equals to position vector xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. Now r bar equals to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Now this is the position vector. Okay. Now what is the modulus of r bar? Modulus of r bar equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now this is simply call it as small r. Now the small r is the scalar quantity. Okay. So here r bar is the position vector, small r equals to modulus of r bar. Modulus of r bar means square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, fine. Now what is the derivative with respect to x? Differentiating with respect to x. Then what is the value? So for this purpose, squaring on both sides. R square equals to x square plus y square plus z square. Squaring on both sides, so r square equals to x square plus y square plus z square. If you differentiate with respect to x, then what happens? R square derivative is 2r into dou r by dou x equals to 2x. From this one, dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Okay, fine. In the similar way, differentiating with respect to y, then what happens? 2r into scalar quantity dou r by dou x equals to 2y. So dou r by dou y equals to, sorry, this is dou r by dou y. This is dou r by dou y. So dou r by dou y equals to y by r. In the similar way, differentiating with respect to z, what happened? 2r into dou r by dou x equals to dou r by dou x equals to dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou z. Dou r by dou z equals to here 2 into z. From this one, dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Okay, now we will summarize all these things. Then what happened? First, important points. First one is position vector r bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. Now second, small r equals to modulus of r bar, that is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Now third point is dou r by dou x equals to x by r. Dou r by dou y equals to dou r by dou y equals to y by r. In the similar way, dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Okay, fine. Now fourth point. In the similar way, what is dou r bar by dou x? R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. If you differentiate partially with respect to x, this is I. In the similar way, dou r bar by dou y equals to j. Now third one is dou r bar by dou z equals to k. If you differentiate partially with respect to x, y and z, now this is r bar. Now this is very, very important. Now another important point, all these points are very, very important for proving the results in vector calculus. Now what is, just only for understanding, what is I dot r bar? What is I dot r bar? R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. I will write here, just for understanding. I dot r bar equals to I dot r bar equals to I dot xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. Now I dot I, x into I dot I plus y into I dot j plus z into I dot k. So we know that I dot I equals to 1, I dot j is 0, I dot k is 0. So simply x. So I dot r bar equals to x. I dot r bar equals to x. In the similar way, j dot r bar equals to y, k dot r bar equals to z. Now this is also very, very important point. Okay, fine. So what are the important points? R bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. R equals to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Dou r by dou x is x by r. Dou r by dou y equals to y by r. Dou r by dou z equals to z by r. Now dou r by dou x equals to y. Dou r bar by dou y equals to j. Dou r bar by dou z equals to k. In the similar way, I dot r bar equals to x plus j dot r bar equals to y. K dot r bar equals to z. Now another important point, in the similar way, all these points are very, very important for proving the results. Next results. I dot r bar is xi plus yj plus zk. Now what happened? I dot I, x into x is scalar quantity, I cross I plus j into I cross j plus z into I cross k. Okay. Now what is I cross I? I cross I equals to, I will take another color, I cross I. Now observe, I cross I will write this here. So now take a cycle, this is I, for finding the cross product j, and third one is k. Now take in clockwise direction. I cross I is 0, first quantity is 0, okay, this is 0 vector, plus I cross j is third vector is k, yk. Okay, bar is also there. Plus I cross k. Now this is in anti-clockwise direction. You will get minus j into z. Now what is the final value? Yk minus zj. Now what is the result? I cross r bar equals to yk minus zj. So these points are most important for proving the next results. Okay. Now we will discuss the important results. Now result number 1. Result number 1. First result. What is del R? Del R. What is the result? Now proof of the result. Okay, we will discuss later. Del R. By the definition of gradient, I dou R by dou X plus J dou R by dou Y plus K dou R by dou Z. So, already dou R by dou X is known. What is the quantity? Dou R by dou X equals to X by R. And dou R by dou Y equals to, this is also known, Y by R. Dou R by dou Z equals to Z by R. Now using these results, then what happened? The Xi by R plus Yj by R plus Zk by R. So if you common 1 by R, then what happened? Xi plus Yj plus Zk. So Xi plus Yj plus Zk is known R bar by R. So what is the result? Del R equals to R bar by R. This is most important result. Very simple result. So del R equals to I dou R by dou X plus J dou R by dou Y plus K dou R by dou Z. So dou R by dou X is already derived X by R. Dou R by dou Y is Y by R. Dou R by dou Z is Z by R. If you common 1 by R in these three terms, Xi plus Yj plus Zk, then what happened? Xi plus Yj plus Zk is nothing but R bar by R. Now this is first result. In the similar way, second result. What is del R square? What is the value? Del R square. Now proof of the result. Proof of the result. Del R square equals to I dou R square by dou X plus J dou R square by dou Y plus K dou R square by dou Z. R square derivative is 2R into I is also there, dou R by dou X. Plus J into dou R square by dou Y derivative is 2R into dou R by dou X plus K into R square derivative is 2R into dou R bar by dou Y. Now, if you common 2R in all these terms, then what happens? 2R into, what is dou R by dou X? Already derived X by R, Y by R, this is Z by R. Now 1 by R is also common term in numerator R and denominator R, both are cancelled. What happened? 2 into Xi plus Yj plus Zk, nothing but 2 into R bar. So del R square equals to 2 into R bar. So this is the another result, 2 into R bar. So what is the result? Dou R square equals to I dou R square by dou X plus J dou R square by dou Y plus K dou R square by dou Z. R square derivative is 2R into dou R by dou X, and Y square, R square derivative with respect to Y is 2R into dou R by dou Y. Now this is small mistake, this is Y, this is Z. Dou R by dou Y, now R square derivative with respect to Z is 2R into dou R by dou Z. Now dou r by dou x equals to x by r, dou r by dou y equals to y by r, dou r by dou z equals to z by r. So here r and denominator r cancel. So remaining terms are 2 times of xi plus yj plus zk. Now this is nothing but r bar. Now I will explain the shortcut method. Simple method. How to find gradient of r square? Very simple method. Del r square equals to del r square equal. First to find the derivative of r square. 2r into del r. Now this is the method. Simple method. R square derivative is 2r into function of function. Inside function is del. This is the del r. Del r equals to 2r into r bar by r, because del r equals to r bar by r. Now here r and r cancel. This is 2r bar. So in the similar way, okay, I will write one more term, del r cube. What is del r cube? Same procedure, 3 into r square into del r. Now 3 into r square into r bar by r. Now this is 3r into r bar. So in the similar way, third result, del r power n equals to what is the value? N into r power n minus 1 into del r equals to r bar by r. R bar by r is nothing but, just only for understanding, I am writing the middle term, n into r power n minus 2 into r bar. Okay, now just we will check the, verify this result. Proof. Whether our simple method is correct or not. Del r power n. Del r power n equals to, del r power n equals to, wait, 1 minute, 1 second. Okay. What is the definition? By the definition of dou by dou x into r power n plus j dou by dou y into r power n plus k dou by dou z into r power n. Now what is the derivative? R power n derivative? N into r power n minus 1 into I dou r by dou x plus r power n derivative, n into r power n minus 2 into j dou r by dou y. In the similar way, n r power n minus 2, n minus 1. This is n minus 1. Derivative is n minus 1 into k into dou r by dou y. Okay. So n into r power n minus 1 is the common term. I into dou r by dou x plus j into dou r by dou y plus k into dou r by dou z. Okay, fine. Now this quantity is n into r power n minus 1 into I into dou r by dou x is x by r. This is y by r. And third term is z by r. So r is the common term. This is nothing but n into r power n minus 2 into xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. Now what is the value? N into r power n minus 2 into, this is nothing but, this is del r power n. Very simple. Okay, we can, in the next result, directly we will apply the simple method. At this moment, we will apply the complete solution, complete derivation. After, in the next session, just directly we will apply this simple technique, simple method. Okay. Now, fourth result. what is del 1 by r? What is del 1 by r? Using the shortcut trick, 1 by r derivative is 1 by minus 1 by r square into del r. Del r equals to minus 1 by r square into r bar by r. That is minus r bar by r cube. Minus r bar by r cube. So what is the result here? Del 1 by r equals to minus r bar by r cube. Now proof is homework to you. This is homework. Now take it as a homework. Just prove this result using the definition. Same procedure. Now fifth result. Okay. What is del f of r? What is del f of r? So using the same procedure, f dash r into del r equals to r bar by r. So now we will prove this result. Same procedure. In the previous problem, in the first problem, f of r equals to r. In the first question, f of r equals to r. Another question, f of r equals to r square. Another question, f of r equals to r cube. Another question, f of r equals to 1 by r. Another question, f of r equals to r power n. So now this is the generalized result of all these results. Proof of the result. Okay. So fifth result. So we will prove fifth result. Del f of r equals to f dash r into r bar by r. Then how to prove this one? Very simple. Del f of r equals to, what is the formula? I dou by dou x of f of r plus j dou by dou y of f of r plus k dou by dou y of f of r. I into f dash r derivative is f dash r into dou r by dou x plus j into f of r derivative is f dash r into dou r by dou y plus k into f dash r derivative is f dash r into dou r by dou z. So in each and every term, if you common f dash r, what happen? F dash r into I into dou r by dou x is x by r, j into, in the second term, f dash r is a common, dou r by dou y is y by r, and third term z by r. So 1 by r is the common term, f dash r by r into xi plus yj, xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. Now this is nothing but left hand side is del f of r equals to f dash r into r bar by r. Very simple result. So using this result, what about the del log r? What is del log r? Very simple result. F of r is log r. Same procedure. First f derivative is log r derivative is 1 by r into del r. Already we discussed the shortcut trick, or this one, this property. So r bar by r, nothing but r bar by r square. Now seventh result, del 1 by r square. 1 by r square derivative is minus 2 by r square into r bar by r. That is minus 2 r bar by r cube. So in the similar way we can find any value. Okay. So just for understanding I will give few homework questions. Just guess it. Homework questions. 1. What is del? Just only for understanding, sin r. What is sin r? Del sin r. Del e power r. Del r power minus 2. Fourth question, del r power minus 3. Just guess it, take it as homework problems. We will discuss another question. Now, another question. If a bar is, question, if a bar is a constant, a bar is a constant vector, a bar is a constant vector, then prove that gradient of a bar dot r bar equals to a bar. Now solution, very simple question. What is r bar? R bar is a constant vector. Let I will take the constant vector a1i plus a2j plus a3k. Okay. Now r bar is already known, r bar equals to known. We know that r bar equals to xi plus yj plus zk. What is a bar dot r bar? What is a bar dot r bar? Dot product is nothing but multiply the ith coefficient a1 into x plus a2 into y plus a3 into z. Now what is the gradient? Gradient of a bar dot r bar is nothing but del a bar dot r bar. Now this is nothing but I dou by dou x of a bar dot r bar plus j into dou by dou y of a bar dot r bar plus k into dou by dou z of a bar dot r bar. R bar dot already known, a bar dot r bar equals to, I will write here just only for understanding, a1x plus a2y plus a3z. So a dot r bar is known. So using this result, using this already known value, derivative, partial derivative with respect to x, I into partial derivative is a1 plus j into partial derivative with respect to y, a2 plus k into a3. So this is nothing but a bar. So what is the left hand side? Gradient of a bar dot r bar. So very simple result and very interesting. So in the next session, we will discuss about another most important operator. That one is divergence and curl of vector point functions. So up to this one only gradient. In vector differentiation, we have three parts. In vector differentiation, three parts. What are the three parts? Just I will recall the concept. Vector calculus. So this is divided into two parts. Vector differentiation, and second one is vector integration. Now we are dealing with this vector differentiation. Later, after completion of this one, we will deal with vector integration. So in the vector differentiation, we have three concepts. What are the three concepts? One is gradient, and second concept is divergence, and third concept is curl. So first concept already completed, gradient is completed. Next we will discuss about the divergence, next we will discuss about the curl. So in vector integration, this is totally part 2 in vector calculus. So we will discuss later. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. See you. Meet again.